Hello man, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, may I know your introduction please?
Yes, my name is Santosh Sherma. I'm from Patri Sanistare, Morang. I'm 20 years old.
Hmm. Okay, you are married.
No, I'm single.
Your education level
Plus 2 pass.
from Nepal.
Yes.
Okay, tell me your height and weight.
My height 5 5 foot 4 inch
Okay.
and weight 58 kg.
Okay, how many members are there in your family?
5 members.
In your family.
Yes.
Okay, what is your work experience?
Yes, I have an experience. I have worked in Viratnagar as a factory workers for 2 years.
Okay, can you tell me the name of that company?
Mayur Biscuit Factory.
Okay, what did you do there in Mayur Biscuit Factory?
Biscuit packing,
Okay,
store checking,
okay,
load unload.
okay, okay. Then why do you want to go to Romania?
To support my family,
Mm-hmm.
to better experience.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
yes, I take.
Do you have the card?
Yes,
Okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
my brother and sister-in-law.
Okay. Do you have anyone, friends and relatives in Romania?
No.
No. If you select for factory worker, are you sure you will go there and work?
Yes,
Sure.
sure.
Okay. Best of luck.
Okay, thanks you.